Hello everybody, how you doing? Welcome to Salsa and Bachata Lessons. I'm Alexandros, with us is Andrea, and today we're finishing our fifth from our top 5 favorite salsa moves. I left the best one for last and it's quite advanced, so let's break it down and have some fun. And Merry Christmas everybody. Okay, first off, let's do something which is very simple with using very simple hands so we know how we lead the lady. 1, 2, 3, check on 5 and roll the lady in on 6 and 7. Everybody knows this move, yes? In this case scenario, we're gonna keep the right hand, our right hand, the lady's left hand, on the lady's neck and roll this left hand, that's her right hand, behind her back with the same technique of leading. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Check behind here. This is where my left hand is. And the right hand is hugging the lady, and I'm also crunched down so I don't pull my lady. Now from here we do a 1, 2, 3 of a crossbody lead, 5, 6, 7 of progressional turns. Let's stop on count 3. We go 1, 2, 3. As the lady progresses half a turn each beat, we're gonna switch the arms. Let's see that slowly. 5, we lower the right hand. 6, we bring the left hand up to the neck. And 7, we're just change the way we have our hand positions and we're in front of the lady. Okay guys, this starts feeling uncomfortable. I changed direction. We're laughing. I changed direction so I can show how we lead this. We don't use our arm and our biceps. We're gonna take a side step, 1, and then pull our body away. We don't wanna just pull the lady, so she has to do on 2 and 3, 2 spins. That's a lot of work for the lady. 1, 2, 3. Fast, no? Now here the lady has to go forward, again with a progressional turn, but we don't just push the lady with our arms. We're gonna transfer the body weight forward on 5 and lift both arms up on 6 and 7. 5, 6, 7. That's how we get speed. We all love a copa, and especially if it looks different. So from this position, we're gonna do a copa. We're gonna keep this on the lady's neck. 1, 2, 3. I'm using the heel of my right hand to stop her on the shoulder. Now, I'm gonna move that transition of my heel to the lady's lower part of her head. Don't hit her, softly lower the head down, and it's like a crossbody lead with a turn. 5, 6, come right next to her to balance her. Don't look at my butt. Okay, we need to do this from this side for the next part. You already know how it looks from the other side. Let's go from here, that weird little copa. 1, 2, 3, lower, 6, 7. Now from here, notice we're back in the original position. What we wanna do is relax our body weight backwards so the lady goes 1, 2, 3 forward. Now we're gonna unwrap the lady like we're unwrapping a candy by moving our body forward first. Pop! This is nth 5. Okay, so we have 6 and 7. This takes some of the brunt of the force. This one is the leader. So we're going here 6 and 7. Grab the back to support. Crossbody lead, a turn or not. Let's go with counting. Okay guys, this won't be the optimal sides, of course, in some of them, but that's why I changed in teaching some corners. So let's go with counting. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, here we go, let's have fun. And 1, 2, 3, roll in, 6, 7. 1, 2, switch the hands. 5, 6, go close. 1, 2, and 3. 5, that was fast. Copa, 1, 2, and 3. And keep the lady in balance. 1, 2, 3, open by 5, 6, and 7. And 1, 2, 3, musica.